Hey guys, Jesse here once again. Had a quick message for you. A couple of things I wanted to talk to you about. First and foremost, if you miss a day, you're off, or you have something personal to do, that's fine. What I would like for you to do though is review our past trainings in the general tab and the general channel, just to make sure that you're aware of what's going on and what it is that we're up to on a regular basis. A couple of quick things. Yesterday, I had requested some input from our development team in order to scope out a project for Alpha Core DX. If you haven't seen that, please review, provide feedback as needed. Secondly, I want to make sure that we're communicating on a daily basis what it is that you're training on to improve your skill set. Two, if you don't have anything to plug into from a training standpoint, let me know and I will share some of the resources that I have and some of the courses that I've gone through over the years. So that's number one. Number two is making sure that you communicate what it is that you're working on and when you'll be complete with it. This is incredibly important from a resource and time management standpoint in order to make sure that we are working on the high priority project tasks that need to be completed in a timely manner. And three, whether or not you have any ideas about how to make things better or how to streamline the process so that we can move forward more rapidly together and build a business that supports the lifestyle that we're all looking for. So those are the three things. Please make sure that you execute on those starting today. And let me know if you have any feedback. Make it a fantastic day. We'll talk with you real soon. Bye-bye.